All right, good morning. So I put these on the cooker last night about, I think it was about 9:30 or so. It's about 7:30 in the morning, and the both temp probes are reading right at 118 degrees. So 10 hours in, that's where we're at. So like I said, this is a long, slow process. We'll go out and check out the cooker and see where things are at. So notice that the temperature of the egg was not at 225 when I came out here this morning after seeing the 118 degree temperature of the meat, and never had this happen before. You can see the Party Cube BBQ Guru blower is gone. I took it off. I had a little problem last night with it being so cold out. The all the hot moist air coming off of the meat inside the cooker rapidly condensed as it hit the lower cooler part of the grill here, and you can see that's just all kind of dripped out the bottom of the egg, including getting into the blower motor and freezing it up. So the egg shut itself off at some point. The meat was still relatively hot. No telling how hot it actually wound up getting last night. So have the blower inside right now. I'm just using old school technology, keeping the vent open at a certain distance and getting the temp back up. So we're about back up to cooking temperature. I think with the sun out, with the the temp coming up a little bit, I'll go ahead and put the BBQ Guru back in place here, and that should finish things out probably later on this afternoon. So we're going to slow things down, which is not in atypical barbecue fashion. You never know what's going to slow you down. It's done when the meat's done, not whenever you want it to be done. That's just kind of how it works. So we'll get that back on and get it back to work. Okay, I have the BBQ Guru back in place, thawed out, up and running, and back up to temp here, 225. This took about an hours of time to get that all thawed out and get everything back up to temperature. But like I said, it's part of the process, and we'll just kind of watch this through the day and see what the temperature comes up to. Right now, I switched one of the temp probes over to monitor the pit, so the meat's 113, and let's see, the pit temp is 224. So we're back cooking again, and we'll see what we turn out with later on today. All right, so we're out here probably 18 hours since these things have first went on the grill. The temperature is done. We're up at 195 now. This took a little bit longer than what I planned because the BBQ Guru did freeze up on us last night. So I added a few hours to what would normally take 14 to 16 hours. I think they probably cooked for pretty close to 14 to 16, but hard to tell with the delays from the night. So we'll go ahead and open this up. And I took a look at these a few minutes ago. You can see the level of doneness is about perfect. They just easily, nice and tender, all pulled back from the bone real nice. These things are certainly done and ready to be taken off and shredded. So I'll get these things off of the grill. Hopefully they don't fall apart too much, and bring them inside and start shredding them up.